G'day guys, James here from Nastec, Western Australia. Just doing a quick rundown today on upgrading the old V16 Nastec controllers to the new V22 controllers. So as you can see here, from the outside, very similar unit, almost identical. The only real difference here is the new ones have a new sticker on the front. They've got the Bluetooth capability now, but everything else here is basically the same. If we jump inside and have a quick look, we'll just take out our 4 bolts on the corner there and crack these open. So as you can see from the inside, there's a few differences here. So the old V16 units had like the smaller motherboard, the single motherboard here. The V22s have like the double story motherboard. This is the main difference, the main way to tell the difference between these older units and the newer units. With regards to the wiring, it's also very similar. So the older V16 units had your input power on the left, you had your live, your earth and your neutral. The V22 is basically the same. Input power is on the left, live, earth, neutral. Then you've got your output power, your pump power, live, earth, neutral, live, earth, neutral there. Very similar with the signal wire coming up from your pump as well. You've got your S plus and S minus. Same over here. You've got your positive signal and your negative signal there. So that stuff is basically all identical on the V22 compared to the V16. Where there is a little difference comes to your pressure transducer wiring. So in the older V16s, you had your plus 15 there and your AN1 there. That has moved slightly on the new ones. These ones have your AN1 there and your plus 15 there. This is basically the only difference when it comes to wiring, is your pressure transducer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to whack this one out here, and I'm going to take this one off here and put it into here. So you've got your 5 little grub screws, 1, 2, 3 at the bottom, 4 and 5. If you want to replace the whole housing and this one, that's totally fine. With our custom boxes that we produce, they're a little bit tight for space, and I find it's easier to replace the chip rather than remove this whole housing. But if you want to remove the whole housing, that's totally fine. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do this now, swap this one into here, and then I'll come back with the next part, which will be wiring it up.